Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Mastery Ideas, where we simplify crypto for you. Today, we're answering two key questions. How to move USDT from your OKX wallet to Binance using a seed phrase. How to recover TRC20 USDT using a recovery phrase. Let's jump right in. First up, you've got USDT in your OKX wallet with the seed phrase alarm fetch churn bridge. Exercise tape, speak race clerk, couch crater letter. Here's how to transfer it to Binance. Step 1. Import your wallet to begin. Import your OKX wallet into Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or OKX's wallet app. Here's how. Point 1. Download and open the app. Point 2. Select Import Wallet or Restore Wallet. Enter your 12-word seed phrase. Once done, your wallet and USDT balance will appear. Step 2. Get Binance deposit address now. Log into Binance and follow these steps. Go to Wallet, Fiat, and Spot to Deposit to select USDT and the correct network, TRC20 or ERC20. Copy the deposit address Binance provides. Step 3. Transfer USDT now. Go back to your OKX wallet and follow these steps. And select your USDT balance and click Send to paste the Binance deposit address. Confirm the transaction, ensuring the network matches. And that's it. Your USDT will appear in Binance after confirmation. Moving on to the second question. If someone sent you TRC20 USDT and you only have the recovery phrase, here's how to recover it. Step 1. Import the wallet for this. You'll need a Tron-compatible wallet like TronLink or Trust Wallet. Follow these steps. Download the app. 2. Select Restore Wallet. Enter your 12-word recovery phrase. Your wallet will sync, showing your TRC20 USDT balance. Step 2. Send USDT to another wallet to transfer the USDT. Follow these steps. 1. Select your TRC20 USDT and click Send to paste the recipient address, e.g. Binance TRC20 deposit address. 3. Confirm the transaction. Step 3. Add TRX for fees. Don't forget, Tron transactions require TRX for fees. If needed, send a small amount of TRX to your wallet first. And there you have it. Now you know how to transfer USDT from OKX to Binance and recover TRC20 USDT with a recovery phrase. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe to Money Mastery Ideas. See you next time. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!